Let's see what we got going on here. Oh, wow. Okay, that's done for. Now when I planted these, most of the time I put a coffee filter on the bottom just to keep it from the potting soil from falling out the bottom drainage holes while I was working with it. So that's still there. If you can see, I've got many, many, many plants in there. So there we go. Okay. Oh, how big of a bunch do I keep together when I plant these? And these are really, really strong root systems here. Okay. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These are beautiful.